Here's a solution to problem 7.5.42 from Rockswold's algebra. We're going to simplify this rational expression. The trick to simplifying a complicated rational expression like this is to find the common denominator you would use for all of the smaller rational expressions. So let's find this common denominator. In this lower left, or upper left rational expression, the denominator is a, so for a common denominator we need a. In the upper right, there's a 2b, so we'll need a factor of 2 and a factor of b. In the lower left, we need a factor of a. We already have a factor of a. We don't need another one. And then in the lower right, we need 3b, so we need a factor of 3 and a factor of b, but again, we already have a factor of b. We don't need another one. So the common denominator we would use is 2 times 3, so 6ab. All right, so what do we do with this common denominator? We actually aren't going to use it as a denominator. The trick is to take this common denominator and multiply the numerator and denominator by this expression 6ab. All right, now to actually do this product, we're going to have to distribute like this, here and here, and also there and there. So let's see what we get. On the upper left, we get 6ab over a minus, and then in the upper right, we get 3 times 6ab over 2b, all over, and then the lower right, 6ab over a minus 5 times 6ab over 3b. And this minus up here in the numerator should actually be a plus. Sorry about that. All right. Let's move down a little. Now we need to simplify this giant mess that we made. Fortunately, because of how we chose our common denominator, there is a lot of canceling that's going to happen. So in the upper left, this a cancels that a. In the upper right, the factor of 2 inside this 6 cancels that 2 and leaves behind a 3. Also, this b cancels that b. In the lower left, the a's cancel. And in the lower right, the factor of 3 cancels, leaving behind a 2, and the b also cancels. So what do we have left? We've got 6b plus 3 times 3 is 9a over, in the lower left, 6b minus 5 times 2 is 10a. All right, now we should see if this will simplify any more. There aren't any common factors in the numerator and the denominator. There's almost a common factor of 2, but this part over here, 9a, isn't divisible by 2. So there are no common factors, so this is as simple as it's going to get. So this is our final answer, 6b plus 9a over 6b minus 10a. If you're doing this problem online, your numbers will be different, but the ideas will be the same.